Hey YouTube, Spider G back here this morning. I'm just gonna do a brief overview and a disassembly cleaning of the Knives Spiro and the silver tooled with the black G10 spine cap with wire clip, contoured. There is liners with some weight relieving. It's got a very good access to the lock bar. I have it tied a little bit. It is on skiffs, but I'm going to see if I can get a little bit more smoother. This steel is in 20 CV. It's your typical Spiro, same size as everything. Just leave 3 and a quarter. What's the yeah, 3 and a quarter, and then the handle is 3 and an eighth, or 4 and an eighth. Total being 7 and a quarter, which is right in my wheelhouse. That's like 7.5, maybe like roughly 7 to 7.5. That's my wheelhouse. That being said, it's not broken in whatsoever. So I'm gonna open it up and see, or see if there is something. Let me back it off for a second. There's no blade play. Okay, so I might have just had it a little too tight. Should have been smoother than that. I am centered. If you could see that. You see that? Centered. Okay. Got my Atoma plate today. 400. Pretty stoked to actually start using some good stones and getting summer with my edges, some freehand. I don't want to chew up these. Come on. You gotta take this thing off, so. Ooh, okay, so. This and the pivot go together. This is a longer body screw. So I'm gonna have to take off this side. Gee, this is the only thing that trips me out about these back caps. It's kind of like, why? Whatever. This kind of makes the process that much more. 4 other screws. Very careful what's going on. Long screw. Alright. Why didn't you just, I guess you already have one. But I just don't understand that. That's hilarious. Snoring. We've got a lot of work to do today, so I've been up early. Alright, so everything looks good. I don't know if it even needs any into that. I don't think it needed it. Maybe just some lubrication. Carbon fiber backspacer. And you still have a backspacer with a cap. Yeah. Alright, so that's fully seated. The D shape spacing where the liner is going to go in. You can see the liner there. Let's go ahead. Nothing really needs any cleaning at this point, but I am going to do that to the bearings, just in case. Just give it the best possible chance. And yeah, obviously I didn't put any lubrication in it. I just threw skiffs in it and put it back together. That's usually what I do with all my ashers, but now I'm doing them on film, so the camera. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab I'm gonna go ahead lube up these bearings. Put some lube in here. Okay. So again, I'm just making everything slick. We could go ahead and this blade back in. Let's put some good size detent hole. Alright. Let's go ahead and let's create a track. There's a little track, but I haven't really fidgeted with this particular one. I've got so many different ones that the old ones, new ones I still want to get. I want to probably pick up the little buddy, the Kudo or whatever. I like it, but I don't know, it just kind of feels like the blade cut too. It's still great. It's still a good knife. But I like the Spiros and stuff like that. Alright, so I'm going to be cleaning that blade lock face off so I can feel. These never have stick, so don't think I've ever had any with sticks. Not that I have any, but I'll make sure that Asher. Alright, so you're seated there. Your stock pin seems to be a little sunk, so let's go ahead. Put the scale on real quick. Let's look at everything. Let's see if we can't look down and see that everything is in locked up. So if I was to squeeze it, should go right back to true. Alright. Let's go ahead and put a stop pivot in here. Keep everything together. Alright. Okay. Hang on one second. Okay. Thank you. Sorry about that. To fix a TV, somebody's TV, one of our residents. Alright. Just put this in for now. The run was basically true. Alright. So let's back that off a little bit. Now, let's go ahead and put this back cap on. Seated. Everything's seated. Hopefully with the KP out, should be smoother. Gotta spend some time breaking it in, but there it is. Okay. Alright. Let's put these. I'm gonna try and put these last two because one seems to be protruding a little more than the other. So, okay. Repair. Alright. So let me back this one out. Okay. Alright. Just snug. And they're equal on each side. Let's make them all snug. That way. Yeah. Once Okay. There we go. Let's clean this lock face off. So develop any lock stick. Clean that off. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Straight up and down, like 6 o'clock. Looking good. Okay. My angle's off. It's to the side. Or my angle's up, but it's weird. It is centered for the most part, but as it breaks in, I'll fix that later, but it's not crazy enough for me to really get down and crazy right now. I'm trying to break in the track. Thing is just getting smoother and smoother. It just takes a little bit. You have so many that, you know, it takes time for each one. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Yes, it is. Alright. Alright, where we at? Alright, so we will, I'll go ahead and end this one right here. This was an Asher Knives, just to clean up disassembly. And if you guys could kindly please give me a like, sub, comment, share, that would be awesome. But that'll do it for this Asher overview, disassembly, a little bit of maintenance, just trying to work the action in this 20CV Asher Spiro G10 back cap, silver tooled, contoured carbon fiber scales. Alright, that'll do it for me. Spider G out. I'll catch you on the next one. Stay safe and continue to have fun. Alright, y'all. Bye-bye now.